Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to create a multi-boot for any ISO file without needing a USB or external hard drive. First, right-click on the Windows icon and select Disk Management. Right-click on the largest partition and choose Shrink Volume. In the box for entering the size, enter 1024. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Set the letter Z. Set the file system to FAT32 and name it Multiboot. Now I will download a tool called BOOTICE and one more tool called GRUBFM. I will choose the ENUS version. Now, unzip everything you just downloaded. Now, access GRUBFM and rename GRUBFM x64.fe to boot.fe. Now, copy this file to drive Z. Now we will open BOOTICE and create boot entries for this file. Choose the UEFI tab. Edit Boot Entries. Click Add. Select the file you just copied to drive Z. Now you can name it whatever you like. Note that the boot partition must be the FAT32 1GB drive we just created. Now press Save then Close. Now, switch to the Physical Disk tab. Select Parts Manage. You select the correct drive Z. Remove drive letter. GPT Attributes. Hide. Now I will close BOOTICE and copy the necessary ISO files for booting. On drive D, I will create an ISO folder to place the ISO file I will be using here. Please note that you should keep the Windows installation file on a drive other than C, because installing Windows will delete drive C. Now I will restart the computer and enter the boot menu. I will select the option with the name I just set. You select the exact location where you place the ISO file. I placed it in the data partition and inside the ISO folder. I will try with Windows PE first. Select Boot Windows PE from ISO. So I have successfully booted into Windows PE, and I can use it as normal. Now I will continue to try with the Windows installation ISO file. Select Boot Windows from ISO. So now I can install Windows as usual. You don't need to pay attention to the command prompt in the left corner. Please note, only format the Windows partition. If you do it incorrectly, you will encounter errors and lose data. So, I have successfully installed Windows. I will go check the hard drive partitions. You can see that our partitions are intact. Now I will restart the computer and test if I can still boot into Multiboot. You can see that I can still boot into this normally. If you like this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive more exciting videos about Windows. Have a good day.